Yeah, hey, how you doing? I'm from New York, Long Island, and I came to the Dent Training Institute down in California, and I'm having a great time over here. The teacher, the instructor, the student, everybody's so friendly. Um, it's just like out of the world experience with the Dent. It's something that I always wanted to do. I never get a chance to do it, and I finally went online. I Googled, and I came up with a thinking. I look at the review, I look at everything, and I call, and it was so nice to me. So I came here. I'm here for 3 weeks, and it's a great experience. And I'm gonna go back to New York, and I'm gonna open my own business. The instructor James, Sal, Koi. I had the pleasure of meeting Lee Rod from Texas. Great instructor. I met what's his name, Mike Boone. I talked to him. He was the guy I talked to. He made me feel like family, and that's why I decided to come to the Dent Training Institute. I also met Tad, who's the owner. Oh man, down to earth guy, friendly guy. He makes me feel like, hey, I don't want to go back to New York. It's like home here. We all have family. And I want to shout out the Dent, man, the best school you could go to. They learn you everything. I mean, the teaching is like phenomenal, so, I learned a lot, and I'm going to go back home. I'm going to practice a little, and then I'm going to open my own business. So thank you, Dent. I had a great experience, and I'm going to come back future for more lessons and classes. But for now, I had to learn a lot. Dent, you're the best. You're number one.